Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your skin looking younger, brighter, and free of dark patches in just 20 days. Japan's oldest practicing doctor, now over 100 years old, swears by a natural approach to erase pigmentation, melasma, and dark spots without bleaching, lasers, risky chemicals, expensive creams, or painful treatments. And today, I will show you exactly how, backed by science and rooted in centuries of Japanese wisdom. Stick with me to the end because the few minutes you'll be spending here will answer some of your questions. Like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when there's a new upload on the channel. Pigmentation. When parts of your skin become darker than the surrounding area due to excess melanin production, melasma is a type of hyperpigmentation often appearing as brown or grey-brown patches, usually on the face. It's often triggered by hormonal changes, sun exposure, and inflammation. Dark spots. This is flat brown, black, or grey spots that appear with age due to UV damage, oxidative stress, or slow skin regeneration. They can occur due to sun damage. UV rays trigger melanocytes. These are cells producing melanin to go into overdrive. Hormonal changes, especially in women during pregnancy or menopause. Also, there is nutrient deficiency, lack of key minerals, slow skin repair. Liver overload. When your liver can't detox properly, toxins accumulate, often showing up on your skin. Poor sleep and digestion. This leads to inflammation and slower cell turnover. Aging. Your skin's renewal process slows down, letting old pigments linger. When pigment producing cells go into overdrive, they deposit melanin clumps deep into your skin, and those are harder to fade without targeted care. Japan's oldest doctor says your skin is a reflection of your internal organs. Heal from the inside, and the skin will follow. This means no miracle cream will work long term unless you fix nutrient balance, hormone regulation, liver detox efficiency, quality rest. These three minerals are non-negotiable for clear, even-toned skin. Zinc reduces inflammation, speeds skin healing, and regulates oil production. It also protects against UV damage on a cellular level. Foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, oysters, spinach, copper. These are essential for producing collagen and elastin and helps melanin production stay balanced. It prevents overproduction that leads to dark spots. So the foods that can be used here are cashews, sesame seeds, dark chocolate, and mushrooms. For magnesium, magnesium reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which is responsible for triggering pigmentation, improves sleep quality, and helps your body use vitamin D effectively. Eat foods like almonds, avocados, leafy greens, and bananas. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that stimulate cells repair. Without 79 hours of quality sleep, damaged skin cells stay damaged. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Drink calming teas like chamomile or moringa before sleeping. Keep your bedroom dark and cool to promote deep sleep. If you are not digesting well, you are not absorbing skin healing minerals. Poor digestion also increases gut inflammation, which directly affects skin tone. Eat probiotic rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables. Include fiber-rich vegetables to keep your gut microbiome healthy. Avoid heavy, greasy foods late at night. Your liver processes toxins and hold hormones. If it's overloaded with junk food, alcohol, or chemicals, those toxins can leak into your bloodstream and trigger skin issues. Support your liver with lemon water in the morning, green tea, leafy greens like spinach and kale, beets and carrots for natural liver detox. So here is a Japanese inspired daily plate for skin repair. For breakfast, oatmeal with pumpkin seeds, berries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch, grilled salmon with spinach and sesame seeds. Snack, dark chocolates and almonds. For dinner, have a miso soup, steamed vegetables, and brown rice. Before bed, warm moringa tea with a small piece of kiwi for vitamin C. Matcha is a kind of green tea powder which is rich in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that blocks the enzyme tyrosinase, which is responsible for melanin overproduction. Pairing it with vitamin C from citrus, strawberries, cherries enhances collagen production and speeds up cell turnover. Drink matcha tea daily and apply a homemade vitamin C serum. You can mix powdered vitamin C with aloe gel to affected areas at night. Also, you can make use of rice water brightening toner. Rice water contains a compound that improves skin barrier function and reduces melanin formation. Rinse uncooked rice, soak it in water for 30 minutes, strain and store the water in the fridge. Apply with a cotton pad twice daily after cleansing. Your skin naturally renews itself every 28 days, but with targeted antioxidants, hydration, and sun protection, pigment can lighten within 20 days as new. Healthier skin cells replace the old ones. Consistency is key. Miss a few days and the results slow down. Remember, pigmentation, melasma, and dark spots are not just skin problems, they are your body's way of asking for better care, inside and out. In just 20 days with the right minerals, good sleep, healthy digestion, a clean liver, and nutrient rich foods, you can see real, visible results. Don't just treat the symptom, heal the root cause. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like, share this with someone struggling with skin issues, and subscribe for more natural health tips from around the world. Thanks for sticking with me to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video. Green Health Cares.